Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the section sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down to localize the incoming call ringtone option and tap on it. As you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. What is more, we've got the custom ringtone, and basically we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got anything, for example, downloaded, it will appear right here and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from the pre-installed options, and if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. So for example, this one, just let me volume it down a little bit. Or this one. Just find the one you like the most, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.